Hello, family and friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tanisha with Life with Tanisha RN, and I am unboxing the latest Infinite Lotus subscription box. Now, I do subscribe to the deluxe, I think it's the deluxe box, and I get it in the mini size. I use it for my mini planner. And let me tell you, each month it's gotten better and better. The first month was I think September. So it was the very first box. And let me just tell you, I wasn't blown away with the first box, but I knew it was a new box. So decided to give it a chance. Definitely can tell that the owner listened to the comments because each month has gotten better and better. All right, so this is the card I just showed with was inside the box. And again, I have the deluxe, so everything that comes in the deluxe includes the items that's in the box that's right under it, and I cannot remember what it is. Here I'm just showing some of the journaling cards, and then this pack here is a small accessory pack. Now, those are very small functional stickers, but just let me tell you that they are definitely functional, and it's not on white paper. It's like a really light gray paper. So yeah, like that, and it's gonna work well for what I needed to do. Here are some Cocoa Fusion transparent sticky sheets, and they come like in this little case, so when you pull it out, the next one just flows right behind it. And I'll come back to that in just a moment. The other insert, I really like this. It's the order tracker card. Oh my goodness. This is so perfect. Sometimes I'll track my orders. Sometimes I won't, but I think this is really good to have and just stick it in your planner pocket. All right. And the other subscription box, there are two, classic and deluxe. So just FYI. And I have the deluxe, which is $45. All right, here we go with some cute journaling cards. I just love that scene, the snowy scene. And look at the bird. Oh my goodness, it's just cute. And then you've got the somewhat snow-capped trees. Like that. Focus on health, set clear goals, and embrace consistency. Now, those three go along with the January intention. Okay, so you see the intention card there in the background. It's like a snow-capped mountains on this white card, and it's just perfect. I love that. Then we have the calendar. We have the smaller one, and then we have the larger card for January. So if you want to put one in another card, you can. And then we have this really nice vellum January, and then we have the snowy mountain, so you can kind of do a layering moment with that. And those two come in the deluxe. Okay, the January and the snowy mountain dashboard come in the deluxe, and I'm just showing how that's paired. It's just so cute. Oh my goodness. I wish we got snow in my area. All right. And then we have the other two dashboards, which is modern architecture and new heights. So in the classic, you would just get the modern architecture and the new heights. But again, with the deluxe, you'll get both. And see, it's double-sided. Both of those, really nice. OMG. You can swap it around like what I did here. I just love it. I love her dashboards. I love her vellum. They're just perfect accent to your planners. All right. Excuse me. The next thing I'm going to get into are the inserts. And the first one is, I think this is the to-do grid list. So what I like about inserts that are not like, excuse me, that are where you can just kind of do it yourself. It's just really functional. It's not already laid out for you. This is perfect. So you can put those like in categories on your to-do list. or break your to-do list down into categories. That's what I want to say. All right, so let's see the next, and there are 4 planner inserts: the weekly planner, which is undated, to-do grid list, budget calendar, and wellness goals. So let's see which one I'm about to show now. This is the wellness goals, and kind of the same thing. It's there's several categories, which I cannot remember what they are. So no, it's more than several. So on one side, it is emotional and intellectual, environmental, and social. And on the other side, it is spiritual, occupational, financial, and physical. And then you have the goals, and then you have action steps for each one. So really, really nice. Now, this one is the weekly planner, and typical on one side, you have the days, and you can put your schedule, your to-do list, what have you. And it's broken into 2 columns, actually. So you may want to do work and home, or personal. And then the other page is just like a grid, or graph. Graph. So perfect. Plenty of room to write notes. Someone like me who can never have enough note pages. Yeah, this will be perfect. All right. And then the last insert is, that's about to come up, is the budget. Now, I'm not a budget planner. Okay. I don't use budget inserts at all. So I know that I will be sharing these with a planner friend that would really like this and benefit from it. But the way it works, I guess, again, I'm not into budgets, but you got this week, and then you have the week, Monday through Sunday. One thing I like about the weekly planners and this budget planner is that they're Monday starts, because I'm a Monday start girl. And then you can put the month and the year at the top, and then at the bottom you can put what you budgeted for the week and what you actually spent. So it's good for those who like budget planner inserts. So yeah. All right. The next thing we have here is an oil-based pen. I absolutely love the oil-based pens because they can be used on any paper, but they're really great on transparent papers or sticky notes. And the reason being is because they dry easily and they show up. Unlike, you can't use the gel on the transparent because it's gonna smear everywhere, and ballpoint just won't make the cut at all. So so I have 2 already. Now I have this third one. Yes, and see, I'm just doing a test here. And Unipen, yes. And I forgot to say, if this is your first time joining me, please, I hope that you will consider subscribing. Hope that you'll like and comment in the video. Do you subscribe to the Do you subscribe to the Infinite Lotus sub box, friends? Whether you're returning or joining for the first time, do you subscribe to the Infinite Lotus sub box? And if you do you subscribe to the classic or the deluxe? I absolutely love this. It is budget friendly, and I love decorating my planner each month. All right. Until next time, friends, take care of yourselves and each other's. Bye.